So you're looking to upgrade your ability to inspect the diameters that you're machining, but you know there's a lot of options and you're not sure which to go with. I'd like to review a few of the options you have with Mitutoyo today. So as you can see here, we have three of the most common options offered from Mitutoyo. This right here, their Borematic, that is the absolute fastest way you're going to get an accurate reading with a digital output. It's super quick. You get the 3-point bore pickup, that little lever there. If you've never used one, you just hold, it retracts, you let go, it seats itself. You get 3 points of contact. You don't have to worry about being all cockeyed. You don't have to worry about it being out of alignment. And that's common across all of these gauges. Okay, great. But, well, which would you go with? If you're just looking for speed and depending on your tolerances, you're going to go with the Borematic. Now, there's a bit of a size range difference as well as the tolerances that they can measure to. If you need to go to a higher level of accuracy, then you would step up to the Digimatic hole tests. They offer a larger range that you can inspect with, and they offer tighter accuracy due to, well, if you'll notice right here, it looks like the same thimble that's on your standard micrometer versus the quick lever. It's still a quick rotation, it's just not as fast. And then down here, we have their standard hole tests, non-digital, pure analog, and one, they're going to go smaller. You can see the micro, it's 2-point contact right down here. The rest are all 3-point, but the range is going to be a little bit smaller and larger. It'll have the same range as the Digimatic hole test here, except for the micro size. So when you're looking at the hole test and the hole test type 2 down here, again, you're looking at tolerances and size ranges and the fact that these are completely manual. And that's a quick overview. When you're considering these things and you're weighing out which ones to, which ones should you implement, which ones make sense, well, if you look at the tolerances and you're comfortable going from there, great. If you have more questions, get in contact with your local Mitutoyo rep or your local Thomas Skinner representative so you can get answers for the questions that you have. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning. God, I can't believe there's people out there that are still using pins instead of these. I still can't believe there's people out there that are still using pins instead of these. Like, seriously. How are you supposed to offset a pin and hold 1/10? Seriously.